Well, the winter is tough because anything exterior should be protected. Now there are certain chemicals that allow you to pour during the winter months, but you have to be cautious. Every piece of concrete that you put down has got to be protected from freezing. And there are people who claim they have the magic potion, but in order to put concrete down and finish, you have to protect it with either blankets, straw, plastic, or whatever, and just to be safe, because you have a huge investment there and you don't want it to freeze. The water penetrates in the concrete and forms bubbles that protect it against freezing. So you don't want to be too much below 30 degrees unless it's protected.